In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Bluehost account completely step by step so you know exactly what to expect and how to do it the right way. First, it's important to understand that Bluehost does not offer a simple delete or close account button inside your hosting dashboard. Even if you cancel certain services, your overall account still remains in their system. So if your goal is full account removal, you'll need to contact their support team directly and ask them to delete the account for you. Before you reach out to support, it's a good idea to do a bit of preparation. If you have any websites, emails, or important files hosted with Bluehost, make sure you back everything up. Download your website files, export your databases, and save any emails or settings you might want later. Once the account is deleted, you may lose access to those resources permanently, so handling backups in advance can save you a lot of frustration. Now let's walk through how to contact Bluehost support for account deletion. You have two main options, live chat or phone. You can choose whichever feels more comfortable or convenient for you. To use live chat, open a web browser and go to bluehost.com/contact. This is their main contact page. Once the page loads, look for the chat icon, usually located at the bottom corner of the screen. Click on that icon to open a chat window. You might be asked to select a topic or department. If so, choose the option that's closest to account or billing support. When the chat window is ready, type a clear, simple message like request account deletion. This tells the support agent exactly what you want from the start. They'll likely ask you to verify your identity, which might include confirming account details, such as your domain or the email address associated with your account. Answer their questions carefully and honestly so they can confirm you're the account owner. During the chat, the agent may explain what deleting your account involves, such as loss of access to hosting, domains, or email services connected to that account. Listen to this information and make sure you understand the consequences. If you're sure you want to continue, clearly confirm that you want to permanently delete the account. Before ending the chat, it's helpful to ask for confirmation that your request has been submitted, and if possible, ask for a reference number or confirmation message for your records. If you prefer to speak with someone directly, you can call Bluehost support by phone instead. Go back to bluehost.com/contact to find the correct and most up-to-date phone numbers for your region. When you're connected to an agent, let them know right away that you want to request account deletion. Just like with chat, they'll guide you through verification, explain what will happen to your services, and process the request. Whether you choose live chat or phone, the key steps are the same. Prepare your backups, clearly request account deletion, verify your identity, and make sure you receive confirmation that the process has been started. Once that's done, your part is complete, and Bluehost will handle the actual removal of your account on their end.